Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the real life microphone sound test of the Marshallmode earphones. So these are wired earphones from Marshall. So we're going to test the microphone sound quality of this. So the entire sound that you're going to hear in this video is going to be from the mic over here. So this is the sound that you're going to get when the mic is closed, and when it's far, this is the sound. So anyways, let's go ahead, start the testing. Let's test it in different scenarios and then see how the sound quality is going to be. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're going to get from the mic with the helmet. Now in this scenario, there is a lot of wind, so the mic is right here. So depends on how close you keep it to the mouth, the sound will be better. So wind, I don't know if it's going to be an issue or not with this, because it is hanging right here, and when you're sitting it directly, it might be a little bit of wind sound. Hopefully it's not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the mic test with the helmet on. This scenario, actually, generally when mic is actually higher, the wind sound is not a problem because the wind sound here outside is still hanging there. So I'm not sure how the sound is going to be. Definitely better than your regular non-helmet scenario, because it's going to be closer to your body, so not much of wind is going to be there. But still outside, the wind is hitting it. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you ride on the mic. It's on and the wind is closed. So this is the closed helmet scenario. In this scenario, there's mostly a lot of sound and a lot of coming from outside, but it's still not that much of a problem because the mic is somewhere low here and the helmet is actually blocking most of the sound. But your sound generally echoes, your own voice actually echoes in this scenario. But that's for normal earphones. Here, the mic is actually quite low. It is going down here. So that's why I'm not sure if the sound is going to be clear or not in this scenario. I'm hoping the helmet is blocking most of the wind from the front, so the sound should not be that bad. Let's see. I'm not sure how the sound is going to be. Okay, so we're doing the water sound test now. So I am next to Seasons Mall again. I mean outside Seasons Mall, where you can actually see 70 water fountains here. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound, the water sound, is not too overpowering. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you are near a lot of traffic. So I am outside Phoenix Mall. So a lot of traffic here. So there's a traffic jam in the evening, no matter what day you come. There's always a traffic jam. So a lot of traffic sound. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the microphone sound test on the okay. So here there's a lot of sound here. So I'll be actually surprised if you can hear me at all, because there's a lot of sound coming from all the machines and stuff. There is a bowling place here. So a lot of sound from there and then a lot of machines. Hopefully you can hear me well and the background sound is not overpowering. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now let's talk about what was my experience. So bike test was an absolute fail. Even though the mic is not here, which is here, it is still low. so it was not going inside the helmet, so wind was hitting it. So in any scenario, whether it was closed helmet, open helmet, whatever scenario, you were not able to hear me well. Yes, you can actually pull this up, put it inside the helmet and then talk, then your sound will be clearer. So you can actually notice how much of difference does this make. So when the mic is over here and when the mic is over here, there's a lot of difference. So if you're using it in any scenario, you want a clearer sound, just pick up the mic, bring it close to your mouth, and the other person will be able to hear you well. Now this is a natural sounding mic. There are a lot of mics which sound very false. You get a little robotic kind of a sound, or it's trying to muffle the sound. Here it is very natural. So this is going to be a good mic for vocal. So if you are into podcasting, vlogging and all that, and your voice is the focus, you can use this, but you can't use it in a place where there's a lot of background sound. So that's the only problem. So you've seen the video, you can decide for yourself which mic you like, or whether you like this or not. If you want any other mic which is good in background sound, I have other videos. You can go into my channel. I'll put the link for the channel, and I have two other channels also, Malayalam and Hindi. I'll be putting the link for that in the description too. So you can go through the channel, you can go and see other earphones, and you may find other mics which are better suited for you. But if you're looking for something which is natural sounding, then this is the mic to go with. It just doesn't work well in background sound. Just remember that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.